Where's this thing? Let's see. And we're live for live stream 395. So we've come back to the markets and we've seen the market's not working in my favor a fair bit here. Let's see. I need to connect my live account. Okay. I'm just going to go short there. What I'm going to do is I am going to just reduce size a little bit. The goal is to get back to basics. Get back to basics. And hopefully.
Order submitted. Order filled.
I can get some results. Nine, 4, 5. So I'm going to use the high volatility strategy based on what I'm seeing over on NQ today. This is not working. It's going for that stop, isn't it?
Stop filled.
Stopped out there. Oh, hold on, got a potential longer than Q.
Order filled.
Right. Yes, crossing 100 points high to low range. Mm. Oh my, I've got a short over on gold.
Order submitted. Order filled. Order submitted.
But we know these two can't coexist. Okay, so that would have got down to that target there. So we're going to adjust our stop to break even and look for a bigger move rather than take profit. You know what? Maybe we just stick to the plan. Oh, hold on.
Order filled.
Rather than try and take it all the way down here. So I'm actually positive on the day. After taking profits there, not what this market wants to do here. Looks like it wants to set me up long.
Order filled.
Oh, goodness me. 4012. It's gonna stop me
Stop filled.
out. Oh no, it took me negative. Mm. Looks like that sell-off is going to translate to more selling over on NQ.
Stop filled. Order submitted.
Battery's low. Where is this point of control thing? Oh my word, of course it's right there. Of course it's right there.
Order filled.
Four, one, two. Just been filled in gold in the personal account.
of a stop out.
Stop filled.
Where is it, panic? I wonder. So of course it's going to take up the entire range. Why not?
Order submitted.
Oh my word, that flipping short I was thinking about. No way. Could have picked up that 300 points. Oh my word, I've not been filled in the personal. Golly. Oh my word, not being filled in the personal.
Order canceled.
Fuck. And this, well, I was looking at possibly that 300. Man. Sure. Where did I take that short? Over here. I'll decide to take it off down there. Only it's going to actually do what I thought, theorize it might do. Oh well. Oh my word. Yeah, of course it does. Of course it does. Of course. Look at the size of this candle, man. Just can't take this. Oh my word. Golly. Look at that.
Order filled.
I know what's going to happen here. This fucker's going to turn around and hit my stop. Always the case. 215. I'll definitely think about extending this target lower, but I'm not sure if I want to do that. $402 down to 35. Okay, this joker getting bought back up, but it's going to show absorption. Let's think about this. 92. Okay. We'll get there with just a stop to break even. I think we will. There's the excess margin. I don't think I can take that. Gold. I can't. Don't have enough margin. That's ridiculous. Ain't no way the market's going all the way down there. Down to 24,900. Ain't no way. Not while we got gold about to get bought up. Well, we'll adjust our stop to break even. If we get down to this 215.50. So we got down to 215.50, so just our stop to break even here. It's probably going to show that I should have took profit down there. Oh, see, I got a bullish candle off that level. Where's the stop? $38.75. Oh, they keep buying it up, don't they? What would you do here? Let's see. Stops down to 33.75. We get down to this 170. Adjust it down to the original target. 611. What would that be like? Hmm. 611. Like 1.7 mil. $1.84 million. 359. $359. 24, $359. So there's a buying there on what's this? Gold. May get stopped out here. Looks likely. We'll see. A lot of buying there on gold. Margin is going to translate to buying over on NQ. We'll see. We get to that 170 just in stop for the last time. Let's see if we can get that 24,359. Probably highly unlikely, but hey. Oh my, we've come down into the lows. Oh, just noticed this. We've come down into these lows. So buyers are likely to step in. Oh well. So we had a buyer step in on gold first. Let's see if this plan can work out. Let's see if we can get the 170. We're at 33.75. Then we can adjust to that 215. From there we can buyers are holding this up. This is certainly a buy level. But I'm trying to go for a reversal. This is getting bought up, isn't it? No. It's going to be stopped out. So a lot of buyers down there. Yeah, the buyers are not having any lower prices here. This is going to go up and stop me out, but we've already decided on the plan, so ooh. Hold on. Let's see. See, we're getting held up.
Stop filled.
Yep, stopped out. So there was a long there, up to potentially there. So, I'm wondering. Oh, we got a point of control right there.
Order submitted.
What was in the store for this? So could have picked up 91 plus a potential 87. So that would have been like 160. Instead, I've got that at 34.75 instead of 15.
Order filled.
60.75. So just got back in on the personal account. 60.75. This shouldn't be coming down through these levels. Not a good sign. I've taken the trade. No, the selling's excessive here.
Order filled.
Keep up the work, my guy. I will certainly try. I will certainly try. $187 to 48. Fucking that retracement. Maybe the adjustment was too early. Golly. This can't take up the entire range.
Order filled.
Oh, it's negative risk reward. I don't think I flipping dislike, man. Oh my word, do I dislike that crap. Well, seems like we're putting a higher low in a region where we saw this spine come out of, so in theory this should get to target, but markets aren't entirely theoretical. Seeing selling over on gold, which is a bad sign for our friends over here at NQ. See, we've got a point of control over there on gold. And I've already taken the loss over here. Price didn't even get to the stop, so where did I take that loss? 89, stop was 85. Struggling to make a higher high. Seeing buying over there on, what's this, gold. The stop's even in the wrong place. Oh my word, the point of control shifted to down here. That's a bad sign. That's a bad sign. Every time the point of control shifts to where I'm trading, I lose. Fuck's it battling away, man.
Target filled.
There we go. Targets hit there. So, we took a loss, unnecessary loss there. You know what? Let's just stick to the plan. So we are, where are we? We're down slightly on the day. Is the account at 663? Where do we start the day? What's the date today? 18th. Accounts was 641. We're at 663. So we're up slightly on the day. Another point of control shifted to up there. Which means I can't take the long up here. I'll be going long into the point of control. Okay, Mr. Why is it saying I've got a sell? Cancel that. I wonder if this is going to be a smooth transition through this area here. Oh, flipping out. This is going to get... No, I can't take a short into the PLC. No way. But the thing is, we've got high volume up here as well. Through the 309s up to the 307s. Oh, what's this? Can you give me a funded? My mom's kind of homeless. I don't trade funded accounts. I am a demo trader. Think if you were to say, Google it, not Google it, what's it called? YouTube? I'm sure there are a couple of guys probably live streaming right now that are giving away funded accounts that are affiliated with the funding companies. Let's see. Let's have a look. Funded account giveaway. It's bound to be somebody that's live. Live. Oh yeah, there's a few people. There's a few people out there. Tempted to go long up here, but it's a problematic area. We've already seen it act as resistance over here. Then we saw this selling. It's a little bit problematic. And then we've got this area. that we could have a point of control shift to. Mm, 196.75. Let's see where we went. Yeah, we came down all the way down. It's at 196.75. Hmm. Okay, it's going to run into that high volume there. Son of a gun. This son of a gun. It's almost as if it's just directly dragged towards it. Da, da, da. So this black line's our point of control. We'll see if we get the shift to that level. See, there we go. There's a point of control shift. Oh, it's a big candle. That is a big candle. Oh my word. Choices, choices, choices. You got 5 seconds to make a decision. I'm going to go
Order
long.
filled.
I'm going to go long. Target 61. Maybe the stop loss is about 60, isn't it? No. 97.25. So 351 is a target. I'm hoping that this smooth transition through will see us transition all the way back through without issues, but you never know. You just never know. I believe, how far did we say the point of control goes? So we go all the way up to that 28, to that 309. So this entire region potentially got high volume, but nice move there. Wicked up to 38.50. Seeing selling over on gold. I do not want to see that. We're coming into this area around the 374s, which we did see selling from on 2 occasions previously. And we're seeing that selling there on gold. I'm hoping it doesn't drag us down. Seems like it's trying to. Oh. Fuck, man. Just knew this fucking thing, man. Oh, goodness me. Ken and Q just work independently for once, man. Look at the selling over there, man. 39.75. Just put an alert up there. Should look left. No, there isn't anything. There is a level, but we've already traced through that level on the move down. There is this area here around 38. Oh my word. So we got up to 39.75. Where's the alert? 39.75. Not been triggered. Again, still struggling around at 39.75 here. There we go. Break out the target. Come on.
Target filled.
Okay, good. Good, good, good. So we're up on the day. Up to 728. So we need to pack on. What do we need to pack on? Another 50. About 52. Look at that. If you'd have bought down in here from these lows, major if. Major if. Let's draw a profile on here. Hold on, what's the instruments this? This is, why is it not in line? Where are my crosshairs? There we go. Let's copy this profile. We're going to paste this profile over here. So, right there. So from this move down into this area, the volume got conducted around the 93.25. Came into 93.25. Buying again. We've seen this move out of this area, 143 points. Hold on, am I going to get a short here? Am I going to get a short? Seems like it. Yeah. What's the size? Golly, it's a big candle. Fuck, it's a big candle. Oh, it's a big candle. It's even getting even bigger. Sugar and spice. Let's see. Oh, we're getting buying.
Order filled.
Let's get involved. Let's get involved. May end up giving back some profits here. 39.75 is a stop. What? 59.75. Target's down at 306. 306. Just below the point of control. Probably not ideal. Well, I'll tell you what. How about if we hit the point of control, we adjust our stop to break even. So we put an alert there. Oh yeah, I'm back. How are you doing, Mr. Heath? You said you're back. I imagine you've got a big day on the crypto. Let's see what the cryptos have done. They seemed a bit volatile. I was looking at them earlier. Oh, come on. Ah, that entire area is high volume. Okay, well, risking 38 to try and get 69. Just in stop to break even if we get to 11. Targeting 306. So, let's see how this works out. Seems gold wants to retest that POC on gold. Hopefully gold can drag our friends over at NQ down with them. No. Seems NQ is probably going to drag gold up. We'll see. Time will tell. There we go. Come on. Come on. Let's get to that 311 so we can adjust our stop to break even. There we go. I'm going to adjust my stop to break even. Just because I'm concerned about that. I'm a little bit concerned about the point of control being a bit of a support and the price is bouncing there. In reality, I should hold all the way up to the stop up here and target the 306, but we'll see. We will see. So we got there. Come on. Oh, come on. How close do we get? 307.25.
Target filled.
Yep, there we go. Nice. Nice. Mr. Ethan, what, did you take any trades today? So, I've got the daily goal. I have got the daily goal. So, what I will not be doing is overtrading. I have struggled over the past couple trading sessions. So, oh my word, it's going to set up long. Golly. Ah, this is so tempting. I'm not going to take it. That's just a long setup right there. And the stop would be at the lows. Let's hope this comes down and takes out the lows and not get to the target, which would be around 350.50. Let's hope this comes down and takes out the stop down at 302. That would validate me not taking a trade. Golly. So the entry would have been 11, stop down at 02 with a target up at 50. Let's hope it comes down to that 302. It'll make me feel like a genius. If it doesn't, it's another trade I'm going to have to put in the archives as sticking to the plan. Golly. If this seriously gets up to that 350.50 and not down to that 302, that's going to be annoying. That's going to be annoying. Ah, goodness me. Talk about leaving money on the table. Well, still could come down to that 302. I don't think it will, but let's speculate. I'm not going to take this trade. I'm just going to see potentially 77. What was the risk actually? So 18. 18 and 77. That's good risk reward. It's good risk reward, but we'll not be taking it. I'll have to sit on the sidelines. What's gold doing? Let's have a look. Gold is rotating around that point of control. Let's figure this out. Let's see what we can. Let's go speculate on gold a little bit. Oh wow. Gold is an absolute monster. Let's see. Where would I draw? Oh, is that? No, it's right there. So let's copy this profile and let's paste it over here. So we got a volume down there on gold. So we've interacted with the volume at 357.9. Where would be a reasonable? So we'd be looking at 370. 370. Go away, Microsoft Edge. No time for that today, mate. Sure. Goodness me. It looks like this thing's going to get to that 350.50. The trade I didn't take. And let's see if we can get to the 370 on our friends at gold. Let's see. We do have the point of control, which could be a bit of a issue for our friends over at gold. Don't see anything obvious over on NQ. All this will be is just me being trigger shy. Over on NQ, but hit the daily goal. So let's wait and see. $12 points away. 10 points away. And our friends at NQ. Looks like we've just interacted with the point of control. On gold on the right hand side of the screen. Let's see here. Golly, there we go, up to 50. There we go. Ha. Didn't take the trade and look at it. Golly. Could have picked up a further 77. What would that have done to my account? Oh, that would have been great. That would have been great. to take the short and then take the long. So that would be ideal. And then take a short again and take profits all the way down at 306. But I am in spectator mode at the moment, not speculator mode. So point of control, as we forecast, causing some issues for gold here. Oh wow, point of control just shifted on NQ. Okay, so we got a point of control shift at the highs. Potentially dangerous for NQ. Could I take a point of control shift short? Point of control shift short. It's a lot of volatility. Let's see. Potential target 77.50. Is that 277.50? Oh, it is 277.50. Wow. Off a point of control shift short. So we're not going to be taking that. Well, I'm not taking any trades. So let's see if our friends over at gold trying to navigate the point of control here and get up to that 470. And that's off this area of consolidation down here that we retested and buyers stepped in. So let's see if we can get to designated target of 470. So got a short setup right there. The target would be down at 306. Not be taking that one. So short was right there. Target's right there. Stop will be at the highs, as is usually the case. We'll see if it works out. What's the risk reward on that? You know what? I can actually, let's wait for it to. Yeah, we can. Hopefully this doesn't spike and get me in. So 16, hold on. 17.5 and 85 potentially. No, 306, mate. 84, 500. There's, say we got a perfect entry. We would have been risking 17.5 to potentially pick up 85. Especially after missing that, not taking this long here. Let's see. We'll cancel this order. We'll see. We will see. Let's see if can we get that 306. Can we get the 306? Got the potential Point of control support here for a higher low. Looks like we may get that 370 on a gold here. Let's see. Hmm. Looks like that 470 is coming into focus. And this short would have been a loser potentially. Still can be a winner down at 306, but can't imagine we're going to get to target at 470 on gold and not get to stop up at 5750 on NQ, but we'll see. Time will tell. So the joke is, so we could have had a standard long there, but the target will be up at 74. That long would have failed. This long would have failed. 69.5. 69.8. 2 ticks away on gold right hand screen. 69.9. There we are through 470. So gold would have worked out from this high volume retest. Also the opportunity, there was this long here as well, but they would have had different targets. So this should come and get the stop here, especially considering all the buying we're seeing over on gold. Yep. See that short wouldn't have worked out. We'd have come down to the point of control, found support, and then turned around. So how many points did that go in our favor? 30 points with 8 points of risk. So let's see. So if we'd have got a perfect entry, would have risked 8 points. It would have been 30 points in the money. Ran into the point of control if we turned around and stopped us out. So we'd have had at least 3-1, but we didn't get down to 306. And that's what the strategy calls for. Likewise over here, let's see, risking 13, looking to pick up 40. So again, about near enough for 1 to 3. But this could turn around and get through that level. So there's a potential point of control shift in the area. See the volume peaking out here. But we're seeing buying here on gold. So in all likelihood, this is probably going to go up. Seeing that buying on gold as we go attack these highs, which are aligned with these highs and these highs as well. We've seen selling out of that multiple times. Who knows, maybe the sellers will give up this time. There we go. Going to attack these highs. So interesting. There we go. Break out of the highs. Should be able to get up towards that 96. Oh, I found sellers. Found sellers over on gold. Let's go have a look at Bitcoin. Oh my, this video is getting a bit too long. I am going to need to stop trading soon. Let's think about what's happening over on Bitcoin. So there would have been a short there. $330. I wonder if there's a futures calculator somewhere on the old internet. I could just build one. I could build one. Let's go build one. Maybe off stream. Let's see. I would need to get to sheets. Let's go have a look at our blank sheet. Oh, I could go get the data. Let's go get the data of Ninja Trader. Ninja Trader. Oh, there we go. Copy and insert. Oh, no, data. Data connections. Connect looker. Insert URL. No error. Let's go get the data. That looks like it's gone choppy. Well, I'm going to call it a day there, guys. So I managed to get my daily goal. Managed to get the daily goal. So we started the day at 6:42. I'll be ending the day up at 799, 769. So, yep, definitely got the daily goal. I'm not going to overstay my welcome. I'm going to focus on base hits for the remainder of the year, going into next year. Also going to look through the data on my best month, which was November, and see what I can glean from that data. Definitely have to see what I can glean. What's the range so far today, actually? 511 on NQ, 71.5 on gold. Yeah, I'll do that. As always, thanks for watching. Good luck trading.